Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. So if you are playing Block Blast and you want to get a super high score, there is a simple trick that you can try that is working as of right now. So first of all, you need to open your Block Blast application and go to the classic mode. Now once you are on this type of page, you need to tap on this gear icon in the top right hand corner of the screen and tap on this replay option until you get a vertical block, and that's the key to the glitch. Now once you have the vertical block, you need to place it in the bottom right hand corner of the board, and then in the next round you need to try to leave one vertical line empty on the right hand side. Afterwards you need to keep on placing the other blocks randomly but avoid filling the last two columns completely. So when it is done correctly, the game will keep on giving you more vertical blocks just like so. So you will have to keep on placing this like this, and then you just have to simply do it over and over again. So all you have to do is to keep placing those vertical blocks in the same spot and your score will climb fast. So it is like a loop that keeps rewarding you. So if this video helped you out, make sure that you like this video and subscribe to the channel. Thanks for watching.